The ASAP 2012 release comes with a ZEMAX-to-ASAP translator that has been completely overhauled. Reprogrammed from the ground up, the new translator improves ASAP users' experience with ZMX file compatibility and provides readable, easier to understand INR files. Many of these improvements have been made under the hood, like compatibility with both Unicode and ANSI encoded files, but several features will be noticeably different to ASAP users. One of the significant changes ASAP users will experience occurs during the initial import of a ZMX file. Users will no longer have to save a prescription file or worry about copying ZMX's standard glass library files to another location. Only the .zmx file is required. Upon first use of the ZEMAX-to-ASAP translator, you will need to browse to your glass catalog folder. But afterwards, the translator will remember its last location. ASAP will now assign media indices for each wavelength directly from these glass catalogs. Let's take a look at how to import a ZMX file. A good example can be found in the ZMX Objectives folder within the Samples directory. This double Gauss file is a good example of the translator's current capability. To begin the translation, browse to the ZMX file through the ASAP File menu. A .zmx filter can be applied to the file selection window to view only the appropriate file type. Clicking on the file will bring up a window prompting for 3 items. The first box should contain the name of the .zmx file to translate. The second box requests the name given to the translated file, and the third asks for the location of the ZMX glass catalog file. Since I have used the translator previously, the location of the catalog is already entered. Click on OK, and the translation appears in an INR file. Note that all surfaces appear as their own objects, and all wavelengths and fields have been created. The display viewer shows the profiles of the objects as well as the rays. Additionally, a single ray that travels along the optical axis is illustrated, allowing one to easily compare the intersection of the ray at each optical surface in ASAP with the geometry of the ZEMAX model. The ZEMAX-to-ASAP translator is just one of several new features in ASAP 2012 and will continue to receive enhancements. Future ASAP releases will increase the number of surface types that can be translated, allowing ASAP users to import models of even greater complexity.